In case you're using Photoshop Elements and you're having problems loading the layer styles into your Photoshop Elements, here's what you can do to apply all of these layer styles into your Photoshop Elements graphics. Okay, so this package comes with a file called 50glossystyles.psd. So just open that file in your Photoshop Elements, and this file basically contains all 50 of these layer styles. Okay, so you can just go to this file, choose the layer style that you like from one of the 50 ones. Each one of these numbers comes in its own layer. So just choose the style that you like. Say it's this 15. Just click on it. Okay, then go to layer, layer style, copy layer style, and this will copy this layer style here. So if you chose 15, it will copy this, 16, it will copy this layer style, and you can copy pretty much any one of these 50 layer styles. Okay, then simply once you've copied the layer style, you can now apply it to any layer that you have for any of your other graphics. So say you want to apply this 15 layer style to this circle here. You click on a circle, go to layer, layer style, paste layer style, and the layer style gets added to your other layer. And you can do this pretty much for any other graphics that you have. Just choose the layer style that you like, layer style, layer style, copy, then click on your other graphic and paste layer style. And you can also do this for text. Okay, so that's what you can do with Photoshop Elements if you're having problems loading the layer styles into Photoshop Elements. And you can also resize all of these graphics, and the layer style will get resized along with them. So that's all. That's how you use these layer styles with Photoshop Elements.